Champion by Bethel, Dante Bowe, key of G. The original is in B flat, so if you want to play with the album, just move everything up 3 frets from what I'm going to show you here. So let's start with the intro. I usually do the intro with the tone knob rolled down about between halfway and a quarter, and then just bring it back up for the other parts. So I'll go through the intro full speed and then I'll walk us through it. And usually start with the intro, you start with your volume pedal off and then just slowly bring it faded in. Okay, so and that just keeps repeating as many times as you want until they get ready to sing that first verse. So starts on high E string on the 5th fret with your pointer. Your middle finger is on the 7th fret of the G, and your ring finger is on the 8th fret of the B. So the picking pattern for this, you're going to go down on the G, up on the B, down on the G, and then up all 3 starting on the high E. Okay, so it's down, and then up, up, up. That's the first part. Down, up, up, up. This is a 6/8 time. So that's the first part. And then after that, you're going to, with your pointer, come up here to the 4th fret of the G, then to the 5th, then to the 7th. Just a walk up. And once you're here, with your ring finger, you're going to go to the 7th on the high E, and then down, or sorry, on the 8th, then down to the 7th, and then go to the 8th on the B string. And then you're right in position, you just got to drop that middle finger to start it over again. Okay, so all together, nice and slow. Just, you would repeat that as many times as you would like until they start singing. So there's the intro. All right, for the chorus, bring that tone knob back up. I'll play through it full speed, and then I'll slow it down. Okay, so if you watched my tips and tricks video, this goes along with that. So you're playing a D shape on the 7th fret, and that's making a G. So you're hitting that. You are my champion. So right on yun, you're gonna come up here to the 9th, and I just bar it on the B. Sorry, the 10th, not the 9th, the 10th. On the B and the E string. You're going to play the B string first in the E, and then with your pointer down here on the 7th of the E. So. Okay, so you hit that D shape. You are my champion. Do, 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 do. Then Then you're going back to the 10th on the B string, then down to the 5th on the B string, then up to the 8th, and then to the 10th. So after this part here, it starts over. You are my champion. Da, 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 da. So at the second half of the chorus, they repeat the same phrase almost, twice at the end. There's C, E minor, D, C, E minor, D, back to C. So you just do that end part twice. I am seated, or undefeated. So it's I am seated first, so I am seated in the heavenly defeated. Has conquered it. And then you just go back to the 8th to kind of finish it off. So the bridge. Okay, so kind of just a walk up starting on the 5th fret on the B string, 7 to 8, 10 to 12, back to 8, then 7. Then you're going to kind of bar right here, the B and the E string. You're going to bring your pinky up to the 10th. Play that one, then the high E, and then the B. So it's the B string, the E string, and then the B string again, and then back down, and it just starts over again. So that's all it is. And you're just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then as it progressively builds, you just, add a little more distortion each time, whatever you want to do, just a taste there. So that's the bridge. And then after the bridge, you're back to your, it's a down chorus. So you could drop out if you want, or just, do some swell stuff, quiet in the background, whatever you want to do there. And they build it back up again, go back to the bridge again. So then it's all the same thing again. So that's almost everything for Champion.